In my search for best speech models, today I wanted to try Parler TTS model. Unfortunately, just like my OpenVoice video, I found that this fails on the same text that I've tried with the OpenVoice cloning video. So this is the same sentence that I used in my previous OpenVoice voice cloning video. Now if I run this, it will generate a WAV file. And now if I play the audio,
I have found that the OpenVoice model cannot say the word VScode. It says something unrecognizable while the cookie's model is able to say it properly.
it can't pronounce this part correctly. Now if I try with another voice, now I'm going to play this.
I have found that the OpenVoice V2 cannot say the word went or with a surinal. It says something unrecognizable while the VITS model is able to say it properly.
Looks like this sentence is a filter for testing which text-to-speech model is a good one. Thank you for watching.